Hello people, today we are going to know about CS Card EasyCo Payment Gateway. With the help of this add-on, you can add a safe and secure EasyCo payment option at your site. For the online demonstration regarding the product, you can go to our Webcool store and click on this demo button. And for the documentation regarding the same, please go through the user guide manual provided. Let us now proceed towards the installation part of this add-on. This is my admin panel. Go to add-ons tab and click on manage add-ons. Now click on this plus button to upload and install a new add-on and click on local and browse the zip file which have been provided for this EasyCo payment gateway and click on upload and install. Once you install this add-on, make sure that Turkish Lira currency should be configured in your store. Now to configure the settings of this add-on, let us search this. This is my EasyCo Payment Gateway add-on. Go to this settings drop down and click on settings to configure the payment gateway in your store. The first option here is to choose the mode. Here you can choose either the test mode or the live mode as per your site requirement. If you want to do testing for the payment options, you can select test mode over here, and again you need to enter the credential provided by this EasyCo payment gateway. You will get the credentials from the EasyCo site owners. Please enter the test API ID and test secret key to run your EasyCo payment gateway in a test mode, and enter the live API ID and live secret key for the live mode of your payment gateway. Let us enter the test APIs keys and secret keys to check the functionalities of this payment gateway. This you can get from your Sandbox Merchant EasyPay login. Once you log in at your account at EasyPay, go to this drop down and click on this profile. Go to the settings to get the API keys. Click on this settings button. Here you can find the API credentials. Click to view the API key. Copy from here and paste it in our credential settings. For text secret key, copy it from here. Click to view and copy it and enter the test secret key in the settings of this payment gateway. Once it is done, you need to save the settings. Let us now create a new payment method for this EasyCo payment gateway. For that, go to this administration tab and click on payment methods. Click on this plus button to add a new payment method. Give a name to your payment method over here. Next is to choose the processor for this. Before going to this processor section, let me tell you that EasyCo provides two payment gateway options. One is EasyCo payment gateway inline and the other one is EasyCo payment gateway outside. In inline EasyCo payment gateway, you can allow your customers to enter the detail being at your site only, and the outside inline payment outside EasyCo payment gateway allows your customer and redirect to the other outside EasyCo site where he need to log in to access the payment. Let us now choose first the EasyCo payment gateway for inline, and accordingly the template will be fetched automatically. Next, you need to fill all the mandatory details for this payment method. Coming to the next step, to configure this payment method, click on this configure. Here you can view, please ensure that Turkish Lira currency should be configured in your store. Make sure that this currency has been configured in your storefront. Only then you will be able to access the payment via EasyCo payment gateway. The first field provided to configure over here is order status for success state. Here you can choose the order status whenever there is a successful payment at the EasyCo payment gateway. This order status will get automatically changed for your successful payment statements. The next is to save EasyCo response. If you want to save the responses from your EasyCo payment gateway, responses may include these items. You can select the items to include the payments response. If you want to select yes, then these particular selected items will be received as a EasyCo response. The next option provided over here is payment instructions. Here they have provided the test card number and test URL for these test card numbers, where you can easily get the test cards to check your EasyCo payment method at your store. Once your settings are done for this payment method, click on this create button to create a new inline payment method. Here you can view that EasyCo payment method has been added. Let us now add one more payment method for the outside EasyCo payment. Let us give a name to be EasyCo outside. Select the processor for EasyCo payment gateway outside. Accordingly, the template will automatically be fetched. Here you need to choose the payment category. You can select the credit card or any of the payment category where you want to display at your storefront. Once it is done, go to this configure tab to configure this payment gateway. Here again you can choose the order status which you want to set for the successful statement. The next is to save EasyCo response. If you want to save, click yes, otherwise no. And here you need to click the items you want to receive as a EasyCo response. Again, the payment instruction for test card number has been provided. Once it is done, click on this create button. Here again you can view EasyCo outside payment option has also been created at the back end. Let us now view what happens at the front end. This is my front end panel. Let us select a product to purchase. Click on add to cart. Click on checkout and proceed towards the checkout page. Here you need to enter the credentials or the login access. Once you log in successfully, continue with the shipping options. Here at the billing options, you will be able to view EasyCo outside and EasyCo inline. Let us select EasyCo inline option. An inline form for the card details to be filled will be available over here. This is how your EasyCo form will look like. Here you need to enter the mandatory card details and click on submit my order. Also, EasyCo payment gateway, we have provided a BKM express service for the payment. Once you select the BKM express, click on this payment option. This will redirect you to the EasyCo easy payment site. Click on this submit button to submit your order. Click on this continue. Here you can view that your order has been placed successfully. This is how your EasyCo inline form works. Let us now see how the EasyCo outside form works. Let us place an order again and selecting the EasyCo outside this time. Click on this add to cart button. Click on checkout. Continue with the shipping options. Once you select the EasyCo outside, click on submit my order after accepting the terms and condition of the vendor. Again, this will redirect you to the Sandbox EasyPay site where you need to fill up all the mandatory card details to submit your order. It is the similar form as your inline form, but as it is redirecting you outside your store, that's why EasyCo payment gateway outside has been provided. Let us now get back to the admin panel. Go to orders and click on view orders. Open the recent placed order. Here you will be able to view all the payment option which have been selected at backend. All the responses will be saved here in the order detail page. Also, admin has the privilege to add this particular payment method from the backend to place an order. Let us see how. Click on this plus button to add a new order from backend. Select the customer. Add a new product for your order placement. Click on add product and close. Here you need to choose the payment method. Here you can view iZettle and iZettle outside has been provided in your payment method. You can choose any of the payment method as per the customer requirement or your requirement, and create your order by entering the mandatory details for this particular order placement. You can enter the card details over here, or you can pay via BKM Express wallet through here. This is how your iZettle payment gateway works at storefront or at backend. This is all about my payment gateway. Thank you so much for watching.